Hey beauties, it's Riri. Welcome back, or welcome if you are new. I'm an over 40 lover of all things beauty, and I love showcasing indie brands here on my channel. I also love unboxings, and I like to sprinkle in a little bit of plus size fashion content. Today is my Ipsy versus Ipsy for September. If you are unfamiliar with the OG Ipsy Glam Bag, this is a $13 monthly beauty subscription where you'll receive 5 products and a small cosmetics bag. I have my mother-in-law's bag and my own personal bag. And I love doing these videos because I like to see if Ipsy's actually listening to us. With my mother-in-law's bag, she has light skin, light eyes, light hair. She is semi-comfortable with makeup, but she wants to receive more makeup than skincare. And in my own personal bag, I have light to medium skin, dark eyes, dark hair. I'm very comfortable with makeup, but I have a preference for skincare. So we're gonna see if they're actually paying attention to us. I'm gonna go into my bag first. And our bag this month is a beautiful, colorful, bold pattern and a beautiful tassel zipper pull. And the theme for the month is September 2023, Find Your Groove. You possess a rhythm entirely your own. So this month, let it be the soundtrack to your journey of self-expression and growth. Move to your own beat, explore makeup that celebrates your unique beauty, and embrace all your passions. And then inside, I'm not gonna look just yet, it will give us some information on the products inside the bag. So I'm gonna go in again. This is my bag first. Right on top, I have the Ren Atlantic Kelp and Magnesium Anti-Fatigue Body Wash. That sounds great. And the couple of skincare products I have tried from Ren, I actually really enjoyed. And magnesium is actually really fantastic for your body. Okay, I like that. I'm not mad at that. And also, I want to say too that we travel to go see our son consistently. So I go through the travel minis very quickly. I love getting the Ipsy Glam Bag for that purpose. I feel an eyeliner. Of course I feel an eyeliner. This is the Koki Gel Ink Dual-Ended Eyeliner. Play 2-in-1, waterproof and smudge proof. There is a metallic copper and a matte brown. I also received one of these in my PR box, so I will pass this one along, but still nice to get. Next, I have a Pacifica Stellar Gaze Length and Strength Mineral Mascara with coconut and vitamin B. And this is a little mini. It is in the shade Supernova. And if it is in a shape or a style of like mascara one that I know I will like, I will keep this. Next up is the Hey Honey Show Your Glow Colloidal Gold and Honey Beauty Mask. And then last but not least, I have a, ooh, nice, Moroccan Magic Argan and Essential Oil Lip Balm. And it says pure coconut. Ooh, that sounds great. I'm probably going to put this in my overnight bag. So I consider this more treatment or skin. So technically speaking, we have 3 skincare based type of products and then 2 makeup type products. So I'm thrilled with that. I think that's a good blend. That's the type of blend I like for my bag personally. And I will use all of this other than maybe passing this along because I just got one in my PR bag. I'm not mad at that, y'all. Comment down below before I open my mother-in-law's bag and let me know who you think's gonna have the better bag. Normally she does. I'm gonna start switching profiles. Just kidding. Next up is her bag, of course. And of course you get your informational card and it is the same bag. Right on top, I see a squeezy tube. This is the Levito Patchouli Vanilla and Jojoba Aromatic Body Lotion. Next, she has the same Pacifica Stellar Gaze Length and Strength Mineral Mascara. That packaging is really nice. I do want to see what the actual component looks like. Again, I'm not going to open it. That is super pretty. And the few products I've tried from Pacifica, I really do like, but I've tried more like hair stuff, skincare type things. I don't think I've tried a whole lot of makeup from them. If you've tried that, definitely let me know. Next up, something in plastic. Ooh, she got a brush. Very nice. This is by Shades by Shan, and it is a precision blending brush. Again, I'm not going to take it out because this is not mine. but I think she will love that. So far she's got 2 makeup and 1 skin. Next up, there is a Babe Beauty Deep Bronze. Achieve any level of bronze day or night for all skin tones. That's pretty cool. I can show you at least what the component looks like. I'll show you what the outer packaging looks like. If it was not taped up, I would open it and let you guys see it, but that seems really cool. I've never heard of this. I like to get different brands and unique brands in here that we wouldn't normally see other places, so I'm not mad at that. And another repeat product, she also got the Moroccan Magic Pure Coconut Lip Balm. So I still consider this more treatment based. And then bronzer, the brush, the mascara, and the lotion. I think she got a great bag, and I think she's gonna love her bag. So I will go ahead and read a little informational card very quickly to you. Moroccan Magic Organic Pure Coconut Lip Balm. I'm excited about that. I love anything coconut, y'all. The only thing better than a hydrating lip balm is a coconut scented one. I agree. With the hydrating goodness of organic argan and coconut oils and vitamin E. This balm offers long-lasting moisture regardless of the season, and that is a full size for $4. She also received the brush, the Shades by Shan Precision Blend Brush. This eyeshadow brush is just the tool to take your look from beginner to pro level. With soft synthetic bristles that are cut into a tapered paddle, it's so easy to build and blend color for any look, from a subtle wash to a fully contoured eye. And of course, it's a real brush, a full-size brush for 15 bucks. The Babe Beauty Deep Bronze Highlighter. Oh, okay. This deep bronze highlighter is no joke. Not only does it give off the perfect glow, but the pigment is out of this world. It's also blendable and buildable, which means no streakiness or patchiness whatsoever. And this says it's a deluxe sample. The full size would be $25. Something we both received was the Pacifica Beauty Stellar Gaze Lash and Length Mineral Mascara in Supernova. And it does look like a wand I think that I would use. Looks kind of more fluffy and not like the hard plasticky bristles. I do not like those. Prepare to meet your new favorite mascara with a nourishing formula enriched with coconut oil and vitamin B. This long-lasting mascara not only helps lengthen, strengthen, and add a volume, but it also hydrates the lashes for a healthy, natural look. I think I'm going to keep that and try it out. It sounds great. And this is a deluxe sample. The full-size version is $14. And then last up in her bag, she had the Levito Aromatic Body Lotion in Patchouli and Vanilla. This decadent body lotion not only nourishes and hydrates your skin, but it also leaves behind the sweet and earthy fragrance of patchouli and vanilla. Formulated with organic shea butter, aloe, and jojoba, this soothing cream will have your skin feeling smooth and supple in no time. This is a deluxe sample. The full size would be $19. I think she's going to be absolutely thrilled. I think she's going to love her bag, and so that I do not mix them up, I'm sticking it right back in here. And then I will read up on the few of mine that were not like repeat type products. Alright, the Kokie Professional Gel Ink Dual-Ended Eyeliner with Metallic Copper and Matte Brown. I think that's a fantastic little color combo, especially going into fall and winter seasons. This baby has it all. A fierce liquid liner on one end and a versatile gel liner on the other. The intense formulas are water resistant and smudge proof, ensuring that your eye look stays put all day and night. And it is a full size, $10. The lip balm we got and talked about. The Pacifica we talked about. The Hey Honey Show Your Glow Colloidal Gold and Honey Beauty Mask. The glow is real with this luxurious honey and colloidal gold mask. Honey nourishes and hydrates your skin, while colloidal gold helps diminish the look of fine lines and prevent wrinkles. Look, y'all, that sounds like my cup of tea and my double shot of tequila. Deluxe sample, the full size is $53. Now I hope I don't like it. The Ren Clean Skincare Atlantic Kelp and Magnesium Anti-Fatigue Body Wash. Your shower experience just got a whole lot better. This sulfate-free, reviving body cleanser is packed with Atlantic Kelp extract and energizing magnesium to help nourish, smooth, and tone your skin. This is a deluxe sample. The full size would be $30. I actually feel like it's a tie this month. I think both bags were equally as great, well curated. These are all products that I think both of us are going to use, so I'm excited about these. Again, comment down below and let me know who's you like best. Are one of us your bag twin? Comment down below. Let's have that conversation. I love you, beauties. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your best beautiful. Bye, beauties.